get a large mixing bowl, throw in about 500 grams of minced meat or minced beef, ground beef. Then add 1 lightly beaten egg, don't want to leave bruises. Then add 1/4 cup of sweet chili sauce and 1 cup of rolled oats. Now this is a pretty different version to what you're probably used to if you've ever made lamb rissoles before, but this is really yummy and it's only 4 ingredients. Now just get in there and mush it up. Probably easier with your hands, but you can use whatever. If you want, you can always add some salt and pepper to season, but I find that these 4 ingredients is fine. Now get a tray or whatever and turn them into rissoles, whatever size rissoles you like. Just roll them into the shape of a rissole, or they could be a giant meatball, and just place it on there for now. Once you've done all those, just flatten a little bit so it's sort of like rissole-y. Now I'm going to put these in the oven. You could also fry them if you wish. If you're going to fry them, put them in the frying pan, cook them on medium for about 15 minutes and just turn quite a few times until they're cooked. With the oven, just put them on a baking tray, rack, whatever. And you're going to need to cook these in there for about 20 minutes. Just turn them over every 5. Put your oven on 180 degrees Celsius, which is about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and these will take about 20 minutes. Just turn them over about every 5 minutes. Well, they're done. Absolutely scrumptious. Just dig in straight away. This is one of those occasions it's okay to burn your mouth.